know that the match function can find the first match in a range of cells. So for example, if I would say match shirts in this data, which is sales transactions for an apparel manufacturer, and we have the products here, I would say match, and I could say shirts, and I could say right here, and then I need the comma 0, and so it would say the third row here is where I find shirts. Formatting is bad there. Okay, so we'll make that an integer. But how about if I want to find, let's say, the third match to shirts? So I might say the product and I have a list of products right here that I got with remove duplicates, so I can do a drop-down list. So I can go data validation, data validation, and I can say list, and I can say source, so I can pick a product there. So I might pick shirts, let's say shirts, and suppose I say which match, maybe I want the third row, which third time we see shirts, and maybe I want the state. Okay, so if the first time I see shirts, the state would be Tennessee. Okay. So we'll get rid of the annoying format there. Okay, now what's the trick here? Well, the trick is to find out in every row, I think I'll need a couple of blank columns here. The trick is to find out in every row for the given product in that row, is it the first time I've seen it, the second time I've seen it, or the third time I've seen it? So if I can get something that says shirts 3 when it's the third time I say shirts, okay, if I find the third match, I can concatenate that to shirts, and then I can match shirts 3, and then basically I can use index to figure out what the state was. Okay, so how many, basically I can do a count if, and the trick is to anchor it to the first row of the data, which would be E4, and then I would stop at E4, not $signed. Okay, and I would match whatever's in that row. So that says, up to this point, match purses. Okay, it's got that annoying format again. Okay. So here it's the second thing for purses, then it's the first thing. We'll get rid of that annoying thing again. So I go number 0. Okay. So you can see here it's first shirts, third purses, a lot of purses sold early on here. Then it's the third pair of pants because it goes 1, 2. And then I can concatenate because I can then try and match this. So I can concatenate the product with how many. So that'll say purses 1, purses 2, and I want shirts 3, which will be somewhere down here. We'll find it. Okay. So then I could do a concatenate here that I want to match. So I would concatenate the product with the number. So I want to match shirts 3 if it's the third shirt. And now I can say which row. So I could match that shirts 3, for example, in this crazy column. Don't forget the comma 0. So the third shirts was in the 32nd row of my data, and so then I can do an index on the states, and the row number would be this row, and it'd be the first column, and so it'd be California. So if I go down the shirts 3, 32nd rows, like row 35, there's shirts 3, and it's California. Don't mess with California, although I'm in Texas, and they say, don't mess with Texas. I'm sure California feels the same way. And if I would say the second match to shirts, it's going to say Louisiana, which is right there at Louisiana. So that's a really cool way to find not just the first match, but the nth match in a data set.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.